Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen organization and your cooking experience, all wrapped up in a stylish white enamel finish. This is the QuliMetal 5-piece enameled cast iron set, and it's packed with features designed for the modern home cook. Let's start by unpacking what you actually get in this set. It's not just a random collection of pots and pans. You receive a 5.2-quart Dutch oven, a 10-inch skillet, and a 4-quart grill pan. But the real magic lies in the accessories. We have two universal lids, one made of durable tempered glass and the other a classic enamel lid. And crucially for space saving, this set includes special spacers that allow you to stack these pieces securely without worrying about scratching the beautiful enamel. This is truly an all-in-one solution, covering everything from baking bread and searing steaks to simmering hearty stews. The standout feature here, and it's a significant one for anyone struggling with cabinet clutter, is the stackable, space-saving design. Modern kitchens, especially smaller ones, or even RVs and tiny homes, can benefit immensely from cookware that's designed to maximize storage. QuliMetal has clearly thought about this, integrating spacers to protect the enamel and ensure a snug, secure stack. This isn't just about looking tidy, it's about practical functionality for those with limited space. Now, let's talk about those dual universal lids. This is where versatility really shines. You get a tempered glass lid, which is fantastic for monitoring your food as it cooks without losing heat. It's that classic kitchen tool that lets you see what's happening inside. Then you have the enamel lid. This one offers superior heat retention and moisture locking, which is absolutely ideal for slow-cooked meals, braises, and anything that requires a perfectly sealed environment. The fact that both these lids fit across all the pieces in the set, from the Dutch oven to the skillet and the grill pan, is a testament to smart design and adds to the overall value. Durability and ease of maintenance are huge selling points for any cookware, and this set boasts a non-reactive enamel coating. This is crucial. It means you can confidently cook acidic foods like tomato sauce without any worries of the enamel reacting or leaching into your food. It also means no more frustrating seasoning rituals that are often associated with traditional cast iron. The smooth surface is designed to prevent rusting, making it incredibly easy to clean. In fact, it's dishwasher safe, which is a game changer for busy cooks. This coating is built for everyday use and is designed to last. Compatibility is another key consideration, and this QuliMetal set scores highly here too. Whether you have a gas, electric, ceramic, or even an induction stovetop, this cookware is ready for it. And when your recipe calls for it, you can take it straight from the stovetop to the oven, with the pots and pans being oven-safe up to a very impressive 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The glass lid has a slightly lower oven-safe limit of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is standard for glass. The clean, white finish also makes this set not only a pleasure to cook with but also a beautiful addition to any kitchen and a thoughtful gift for housewarmings, weddings, or any cooking enthusiast. So, what are the pros and cons of this QuliMetal enameled cast iron set? On the pro side, the space-saving stackable design is a major win, especially for smaller kitchens. The inclusion of two universal lids, one glass and one enamel, offers excellent flexibility. The non-reactive enamel coating is durable, easy to clean, and safe for all types of food, eliminating the need for seasoning. Its wide compatibility with various stovetops and oven-safe capabilities up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit makes it incredibly versatile. The overall aesthetic is also quite appealing. On the con side, while the enamel coating is durable, it's still enamel, meaning a very severe drop or impact could potentially chip it, although the included spacers do help mitigate this during storage. Also, for some purists, enameled cast iron doesn't offer the same nuanced heat control and patina development as bare cast iron, though for most home cooks, the convenience and ease of care far outweigh this. The weight, typical of cast iron, might also be a consideration for some users, particularly when lifting the Dutch oven when full. In conclusion, the QuliMetal 5-piece enameled cast iron set is a well-thought-out collection that balances excellent functionality with attractive design. Its space-saving capabilities, dual lid system, and durable, easy-to-maintain enamel finish make it a compelling option for a wide range of home cooks. Whether you're a seasoned chef looking to declutter your cabinets or a beginner looking for a reliable and versatile cookware set, this QuliMetal offering is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.